What's the meaning of briar? Briar. Briar.
Briar. Briar. The word briar typically refers to a prickly shrub or thorny plant, often found in wild areas. The term is often associated with the rose family and can be used to describe a variety of plants such as blackberry bushes or hawthorn trees. Briars are known for their sharp thorns which can cause injury if not handled carefully. They also provide habitat and food for a variety of wildlife and are often considered valuable components of ecosystems. Overall, the word briar connotes a rugged, natural, and somewhat untamed environment.